here. Jim is not here, but today we're gonna do Philip the brakes. I already replaced the brake lines, as you can see here. Very shiny. Oh, I only don't have a clip for this one yet. Forgot to buy one. That's unfortunate. Maybe we can make something out of something else. Besides that, we're going to fill the diff. I have some bolts to tighten on that side and underneath. And we need to charge the battery, and then hopefully we can get it to run.
Yep. I'm here with Dan, so we're gonna do that.
Yeah, come on.
So, as you can see, the new subframe looks very new, very nice, impressive, very nice. New coilovers.
So we tightened everything on this side with the power of friendship.
These sides and the other sides. Oh.
So now we're going to start with the plug of the diff. First we're going to open this one, close this one. This is where we drained the oil, and we're going to fill it in this one. And what I can remember, it's full once it starts dripping out of this one, and then you just close it and it's done. As you can see, these are kind of chonkers because this is 24 millimeters. So first we're gonna do this one to spec. I think it's around 15 Newton meters of torque, and then we're gonna open this one. Well, so I dropped it on the ground, so we're gonna just brake clean it a bit, I think. Grab a brush. Now we're going to do the diff oil. Always smell your diff oil first, because it smells the best. You could smell it all day. Don't want to overfill it, because then everything here smells like diff oil. So this should be enough, but say 0.6. I think we got 0.8 in, so that should be enough. It's 6 said 0.7 to 0.8, and one said 0.6. So I don't know what it is, but I think we can better have a little bit too much than too little.
We're trying to charge the battery of Daan's MX-5, as you can see here.
And now we're gonna do some pressure washing. So my father got an industrial one, which is also not on regular voltage, but like high voltage, so it shoots either clean my wheels or kill my wheels.
Kill my wheels. We got Daan's wheels over here. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, a bit dusty. So we're gonna clean them up.
This inside.
Oh yeah. It looks is it? Yeah, it's just. First, we're gonna do the wheels over here, and then we'll show you the after, the post, in post. Oh, there, yeah, see you soon. It's so dirty that even with the high pressure water cannon thing, it's not enough to just beam the the crappiness out of there. Daan just has a regular old claw.
We'll just see how far we can get it.
Effective or not really?
Yeah, it does something. Not that much.
Right, so we flipped them over. A lot better than it used to be. Yep, so
we clean it.
Look at that. Completely white. So all four of them. So just gonna lay it in the sun, let them dry.
So this is the meter to check if it works? Did you get it from Temu?
Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Basically the same. Yeah?
Temu with extra steps.
And this is the charger. Red is plus, black is negative. So, it's dead.
Just gonna put it on your charger thing and see if it works. 2.1 amperes, I don't know. It says it 80 towards 100, so I don't know. We'll see if it works. So we had some new goodies come in. We got the very professional HBM Moeren en Bouten Assortimento, so an assembly of bolts and nuts. As you can see, this one is already nearly empty because I used that one for these boyos. So let's see if IBM lives up to that brand name. And here we have the wheels, and they are shining up again. Corbin has found an ulterior use for a funnel. No, it's Doritos. Older technology. But we also got something else. So it is brake fluid bleeder. So let's see if this works. Quality HBM. There it is. It's time to start bleeding them brakes. Manual, Corbin, what do you think about it? Manual?
One sheet
Don't
of
need
paper.
it. No. Might actually need to check it out. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is put brake fluid in.
Brake fluid.
And then we're gonna see if we have some leaks immediately, because then we might need to fix those. And you know where the brake fluid reservoir is, Corbin?
Brake fluid reservoir. That's not it. Maybe this.
It is.
No, nice.
10 out of 10. I think this tiny one is probably for the clutch, but I'm not sure. There it is.
Not sure if you saw that
I saw
on
it.
video, but you just dropped the
Part of the plastic in it.
aluminum thing.
Let's see if we find it.
No?
So now we need to bleed it one by one, and then we need to put new fluid in each time.
Yep.
So we weren't getting any brake fluid, and now we know why. Apparently we had to make this a bit loose, and we didn't. Couldn't recall this from the last time we did it. Let's see. I need to get it towards me a little bit.
Or should I press the button?
Yeah, let's try. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay, so we know what we did wrong. How do we know when they are bled? Corbin is going over me. And he's going to push the brakes, and then I'm going to see what happens, because it seems like we're getting there. If you look now, no new bubbles, and it's going up, so that's good. So now we still see some. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're there. Great.
So we've done two on the back, right?
Yeah, and it seems to be going okay. So it's getting a bit dark. You already told it, right? So
Yeah.
they say there's probably going to be some kind of storm, or maybe even a thunderstorm. Oh yeah. Here. But it seems like it's just going past us. Probably it's going to rain a bit, but I don't think it's going to be the Odyssey type of rain. How do you say it? Biblical.
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 5 minutes later.
So it might be a bit biblical after all.
Miscalculation.
So it started to rain inside a bit. So it moves, Corbin, and now it doesn't. So I call that a great success. Corbin. Now let's see how the brake pedal feels. Corbin says it feels nice and stiff. That's what she said. And it does feel very stiff.
So
certified brake boner.
it's still going ham after 30 minutes. Yes. You can hear.
These, as you can see, it's on a ball joint. Might be a bit difficult to see, but it has an inbush thing that you can put in it and then you can tighten it. So let's try that. This takes so long. That should be it. Great success. Let's see if Corbin's smart charger device, car, vehicle, mode from Amazon works. Jeff Bezos, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna find you and also make sure your yacht sinks. Hey, I think I see light.
Oh my god.
And do the car lights work? Do we already have that much battery? We do.